loves. Please excuse my at least freshly washed appearance. Just wanted to preface this video because it was supposed to be a vlog. So it's supposed to be a haul and a vlog, but every attempt I have made on vlogging the past few days has just been boring and disjointed, and I didn't want to put another vlog like that out for you. So I thought, why not just have the haul stand on its own? So it's a little bit informal for a standalone haul. I hope you'll forgive me. But yes, I think Inez is going through some sort of mental leap. She started doing loads of new things like babbling and really seems a lot more alert, but that means that she has been sleeping much less and nursing a lot more, so it has been a tough few days. Also, I finally sort of put 2 and 2 together, and I think this reaction that I'm having around my eyes is eczema brought on by hormones. Had it sort of at the beginning of my pregnancy as well, and yeah, I think it gets triggered by something and then sort of sticks around, so that's why my eyes look very red. I'm gonna have a few product-free days for the next few days, try and let my skin recover a little bit. So anyway, that's why this is a standalone haul. I hope you'll forgive me and I hope you enjoy. Hi my loves, good morning, welcome back. I'm gonna do a little vlog today, but we're gonna start the day with a clothing haul, which I haven't done one of these for ages. And I'm really excited. I've got lots of things to show you. I'm just going to try them on, not going to hold them up to the camera, I'm just going to show you them on. Some things sort of more appropriate to postpartum and breastfeeding, some things more just things that I wanted. But this part of the video is very kindly sponsored by Farfetch. You all know I've been working with them and loving them for a few months now. So I love them for so many reasons, which I've talked about in the past. They collate luxury and designer brands clothing from boutiques across the world, so you're supporting small businesses by shopping with them. For example, the jeans I'm about to show you came from a boutique in Italy. The other 2 pieces I think came from Browns here in the UK. They have pre-loved stuff on the website. They have lots of labelling to help you shop with ethical and sustainable brands, which I love. They really champion new designers and just in general are a great place to look for things that may be out of stock everywhere else, just because they do have that huge range of stock from all over the globe. Yeah, there's so many good things about them, and as always I have a new code for you to get 10% off your Farfetch order, and that is YT10 sunbeams. I'll write it on screen, I'll write it down below. There are some T's and C's which I'll write down below as well. That is valid for 30 days from the date of this video, so make sure you get your orders in. So I'm going to show you some pieces from Farfetch, and then I've also got some pieces from COS and Free People to show you today. I haven't tried the stuff from COS, but I got the stuff from Free People a little while ago, so I have tried all of that on before. But I think that's everything. Let me show you the bits before I start rambling for the day and we never get on to anything. So first up, you guys, we have these incredible Maison Margiela jeans. I've seen these on a few people that I love. I think Lindsay is her Instagram handle, Ropes of Holland. Stacey Dooley I saw was wearing these. They seem to be kind of the jeans of the moment. They have this incredible shape and they have these fun sort of slits in the thigh, and yeah, these were out of stock basically everywhere but Farfetch that I looked. Like I said, these shipped from a boutique in Italy. I'll leave a link to them down below. Hopefully there's some still in stock for you guys as well. Now I got these, I actually think I did size up in these, but they are really teeny tiny. You can see I'm like squeezed into them, and I thought, should I get a larger size? But I still got a lot of body changing to do, I think. Only 7 weeks postpartum at the minute, so I think I will stick with these. I think they're probably a bit closer to my normal size. So yes, I'm in love with them. They're so cool. They're kind of boyfriendy, and yeah, they're just super cool. You can see I've got my belly band thing on as well, which is also helping me to squeeze into these at the moment. Let me know what you guys think of these. I'm a big fan. Oh, I missed denim so much when I was pregnant. Next up, I have this incredible embroidered cardi from Bode, which is a really cool brand that I've wanted to buy from for a long time. They have loads of cool stuff, and I just love this super cozy cardi. Perfect for this like transitional period when it can suddenly be really cold outside, because it's actually quite thick and warm, but it has a sort of springy feel to it with the embroidery. And yeah, you could wear it alone or you could wear it layered, which will also help with the changeable weather at the moment. So I am super in love with this. I think I went for this in the smaller size. I wasn't sure which size to get, but I went for the smaller size, and it is just a little bit oversized, as you can see. I'm glad I didn't go any bigger than this. I think they've got matching trousers as well, which I did and ah about for a little while. I thought this would be a bit more versatile and just spice up an outfit, a bit like this one, which is like jeans and a white tee. Final piece from Farfetch are these Dion Lee utility trousers, which are incredible, and they are quite long. Just a warning to all my fellow short people out there. I think they'll look best on me with at least a little heel. I'm wearing these Chloe sandals that were in a previous Farfetch haul, which I still haven't had the chance to wear, but I put them on and they're so comfy. At least they feel comfortable wandering around up here. I think these trousers are super cool. Dion Lee is another brand which I really love. Whenever I see their stuff, I think it looks really cool. Okay, had to take a quick baby break. You may be able to hear the white noise on the monitor in the background. I'll turn it down a little bit. Just fed her and settled her in the snoo. But I'm going to move on to some Free People bits now. First up is this little top, and obviously you can see my belly band and you can see my nursing bra. This is probably not the best way to wear this top, but I do actually really like the shape of it and the sort of gathered shoulder. I just think it looks really cool, and it will make a nice summer top. I also liked the idea of something like this to put under something low cut, and then I could raise it up when I needed to breastfeed, but it would give me a little bit more coverage around the chest. And if you are feeling a bit self-conscious going out and about, because obviously if I didn't have a top like this on with something low cut and just sort of got my boob out, your whole chest and your boob is exposed, and it feels like quite a lot, I think, especially when you're in public. Whereas with something like this, you can sort of pull it down over as much of the boob as possible once you've got it out. So that was sort of my theory behind a little top like this as well. It's called the boat neck brahmi or something. And I do think it would be a really nice basic top just for normal life as well. On the opposite end of the scale, and I apologise for the maximum cleavage here, we have this. It's a little vest, and it's got nice delicate straps. I know you can't really tell. It actually follows the line of my favourite nursing bra, which I find to be one of the more flattering bras for me at the moment. It's a Bravado one. It's absolutely covered in deodorant marks at the moment, so I will just leave a link to it down below, but it's basically my favourite one. It's just a wrap one as opposed to a clipped one. I just find them 10 times more convenient, and I'm probably just going to get some bralettes and stuff as well for the future, because yeah, I don't really like actual traditional nursing bras really, apart from this Bravado one and a Medela one, which is also like a wrap. But anyway, this follows the line of that and it's very flattering. Another nice basic, maybe for when I'm a little bit less chesty. If you have been on my Instagram at all lately, you will have seen me in these trousers, because they are my new favourite trousers. I love them. They're from House of Sunny, but I did get them on Free People. They have an elasticated waistband, so very comfy. They're going to fit me at a range of sizes and various different stages of bloating. They're knit, so they're great for this changeable weather again. I was saying the other day that I really just want to update my whole trouser wardrobe and just get a bunch in that are a bit more high quality, some ones that are a bit more unusual like this, some more good basics, and also, you know, now that I'm a bit older, I'm wanting to invest in some trousers that will really last me a long time. Anyway, these are obviously a more unusual pair, but I have found them to work with a lot of outfits, and yeah, finally they're in a nice springy colour, which is good because that's what we want. They are coming up a little bit more luminous on camera. They're a bit more of a kind of paler green in real life, but that's the pattern on them. They're so pretty. I love them. So with that in mind about trousers, I also got these gorgeous plaid ones. I love these and they're so soft. They feel so nice. They're a really flattering cut. Again, they're quite long, so I'd probably wear them in a little heeled boot or something. These are a little bit on the small side for me at the moment, but I just absolutely love them. Such a big fan. I love the colour and the style. I'm just in love. This is probably one of the favourite things that I got to wear like right now, and it's this. I can't remember the exact name of this, but Free People do lots of sets similar-ish to this, and definitely thinking about getting this in another colour. Again, we've got trousers which have a nice elasticated waist. They're a really nice shape as well, a nice sort of width. Sometimes wide leg trousers can be too wide leg, but these are nice, and they're a nice length too on me. And then we've got this nice matching top, and I've worn both pieces separately as well. This is what it looks like. They do this in so many colours as well, but I like this sort of mauve-ish colour. Quite versatile while still being more interesting than black, although I'm thinking about getting the set in black. Love this, been wearing it a lot. So in a similar sort of vein, we have this romper. I've been eyeing up this romper for a long time. I just love it. It's sort of like one of those kind of straight cut things, a little bit shapeless. That makes it kind of cute. I got it in this kind of chocolatey brown, purpley colour. Again, breastfeeding appropriate because it's got the buttons. And this is one of those things which would look nice with the little bra-me thing, so that when you are out and about, you're not like revealing your whole self. So yeah, it'd be nice to layer this as well. But it's also very comfy and cozy for around the house, and I'm just a big fan. So it only just occurred to me that I could turn the light on in here. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. Next up is this dress, which I love. I love this. It has not been warm enough since I bought it to wear it, but I am in love with it. It's actually called the Jess dress, so it's kind of meant to be for me, but it's like a massive great tent. Again, breastfeeding appropriate because it's button up, and it's got this tie which gives it a little bit of shape, but you're still sort of in a tent, which is just a sort of vibe that I like at the moment. Oh, there we go, we got the light. This thing is so temperamental, you're gonna have to bear with it. It turns off and on of its own accord, as you can see. Anyway, I love the blue stripe. It's a kind of classic pattern that I just think looks nice always. I'm just a big fan of this and cannot wait to wear it all spring and summer. It's a really nice quality and it just falls really nicely. I'll show you what it looks like sort of undone as well. Yeah, I love it. So next up we have this, which is a really cute little shirt dress. I saw this on Liv Purvis, who's also just had a baby, because she said she was looking for dresses and stuff that were breastfeeding appropriate, and she found this one. And I think she's got a slightly more demure colourway, which I think, should I have got a more demure colourway myself? But I do also like this one. It's just a really nice, soft, vintage inspired shirt dress. It's very cute. You can give yourself a little bit of shape with the tie. This is the pattern, if you are wondering. But yeah, this comes in lots of colourways as well. Final dress from Free People is this one. This one's a little bit more whimsical and a bit more fun. It's this little frilly number. It's super short, so I think I would wear some little bike shorts underneath it, but it's really nice linen dress, perfect for summertime. Also like that it has little hooks between the buttons to prevent gapage. Obviously I've got a tiny bit of gapage just because, but it is a nice touch because with buttons like these there's often gapage. Okay guys, on to the stuff from COS, which is rather different aesthetically. I got these shorts. Now I haven't tried any of this on, so this is all new stuff to me, but I got these shorts, which I'm really liking. I feel like they're probably looking a bit nicer in real life than they are on camera. But yeah, I'm a big fan of these, and I got various different styles of t-shirt to try, and this one I really like. I will write them all down in order below because I'm not entirely sure which one's which, and they don't say on the labels, but I think I got different colours in each one as well, which will help. Okay, next up we've got this black tee. I'm not entirely sure about the fit of this because it's quite long and quite slim down the sides, so I'm not entirely sure about this one. I don't know whether it will look a bit nicer sort of tucked into something. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Because it's quite a nice shape up top, just not sure about the bottom of it. And then I've got these trousers which I really like. They could do with an iron, but they are so nice. So yeah, these are a bit more on the basics side of my new trouser wardrobe project, but they are really nice. I've got quite a nice thick flattering waistband and They're just beaut. Love them. Next up we have these more kind of sweater style shorts, and again I really like these. I have not had like a good pair of shorts that aren't denim shorts for a while, so yes, that's what I've been on the hunt for, and these are really nice too and very comfy. Don't know if you can see them a bit better there. Big fan of these. Next we have this, I think it's called the curved t-shirt because I think it curves out in the middle. I quite like the shape of this one, I think. Again, I tuck all my t-shirts, so it's kind of hard to tell. What do you guys think? And then if I tuck it, it looks like this. Because I was kind of just looking for t-shirts with a bit more structure, like I said, because my Reformation ones are quite slouchy. But I think this one's nice as well. What do you think? Okay, my loves, this is probably the least practical piece that I bought because I obviously could not feed in this. I would have to hike it all the way up. And I think I actually quite like it. I usually don't like dresses like this on me, and I'm not sure it's looking quite the same as it does in real life on camera. It's got a really nice low back. Just realised I can actually come back in here because the little one is up from her nap. It is one of those days today. I feel like this gives a little bit of a better idea of it because the lighting's a little bit better. What do we think? I'm up in the air about this one. So that is my haul complete. Don't forget about my Farfetch code YT10 sunbeams for 10% off your Farfetch order. And I might pop a few of my favourite Farfetch pieces on Instagram stories or something. So if you're looking for some inspo, I will leave some stuff there in the next couple of weeks in time for you to use my code. So that is the haul, my loves. Yes, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you again very soon. Bye.